Stretch marks can happen for a number of reasons, the most common being pregnancy. They can also just happen during growth spurts or losing and gaining weight in short periods of time. However, you have gained your tiger stripes, you may want to consider making them lighter and less noticeable. Believe it or not, countless reviews of Vicks say that it is like a magic eraser of stretch marks or loose skin after pregnancy. The combination of menthol, thick oils and other skin cooling ingredients are perfect for reducing the vibrancy of even the most stubborn of stretch marks. Many people who use this method swear by it, with some people saying that it could get rid of marks within just a few days. Surprisingly, the makers of Vicks Vaporub do not claim that its product can actually reduce stretch marks, or recommend its use as a treatment for skin conditions or scarring. However, the product has the anti-inflammatory property of eucalyptus, with women saying that within a week of using it, their stretch marks were 60 to 100% gone. Because Vicks Vaporub contains a combination of eucalyptus oil, cedar leaf oil, nutmeg oil, petrolatum, thymol and turpentine oil, these oils combine and make overly stretched skin feel softer, while also reducing the dry appearance that makes stretch marks stand out. There are two ways you can apply Vicks Vaporub. If you want to decrease the visibility of the awful stretch marks, directly apply Vicks on the affected area. You will see the positive result after 2 weeks of regular application. The second method is to rub Vicks all over your marks and then put a piece of a cling wrap all the way around your tummy and hips. Later, put on a pair of tight leggings and leave it overnight. The marks should be gone when you wake up. If they don't disappear, you might want to repeat this method the following night. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to remove stretch marks with Vicks Vaporub. If you have, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.